Hello, Michael.
Hello, again.
They don't know that.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Thank you for being here. If you could change the way you invested in your gear, how would you invest it now?
It would go in this order. I would spend probably the most money on the light modifier, second most money on the light, like the strobe or continuous light, whatever. The third most money on the lens, and then the last thing, whatever money I have left, I would invest in the camera.